Steven Spielberg. Wing! Sala. Ito yung Chinese theater na kinuhanan ko kagabi. Kinukuha na natin siya ng daytime. Napaka-old na nitong Chinese theater na to. Nandito na kami sa Universal Studios dito sa Los Angeles. Original na Universal Studios syempre ay dito sa Los Angeles. At nakapunta na rin kami sa Universal sa Japan, syempre napanood nyo na yun. At saka sa Singapore, nakapunta na rin kami. At alam nyo ba, itong original na Universal, pero siya yung parang hindi naman sa pagano, parang pinaka pangit ang front, ang pasukan. So ito yung sasakyan ni Harry Potter na lumipad.
Yeah. Dito sa Hollywood yan.
So dito tayo sa sasakyan ng The Mummy. Ay, may tao doon sa Say hello, Kitty. Naka-elevated you see. Frankenstein. Look at that. Kung Fu Panda. Uy, how to train your dragon. Inside the Kung Fu Panda cheddar. Iniisip nila, panood na namin yan Ay, hindi, Hollywood to, Hollywood Universal, hindi sa Osaka. Ito na kami sa Universal Studios and shout out kay Bebe Ashley. Hello Angel! So dito kami sa Universal Studios Hollywood naman, hindi sa Osaka. Okay? Nakapunta na kami sa Singapore at saka sa Osaka. At mag-shoutout ako. Hello kay Crystal Valderrama at saka kay Bebe Ashley. Hello Bebe! Oh, yan. Ayan, lagi siya nanonood yung batang yan. Tsaka sa nanay niya, kay Sis Kambal, Bonnie's Kitchen. Hello sa inyo. Love you po. Inom tayo ng butterbean. Okay. Tour at nandito yung Fast and Furious at King Kong at kung ano-ano pa. Halika na, pasok na tayo. So, dito kami sa studio tour at lagi kaming nauuna dahil naka-express lane kami. Sa Pilipinas pa lang, nag-book na ang Picsart ko. As I was saying, ayun nga, nag-book na ang Picsart ko sa Pilipinas pa lang at siya ay nagkakahalaga sa peso ng 16,000 plus. Hindi ko alam kung yung eksakto. Ito yung express ticket. So, para hindi na kami pumila ng mahaba. So, kung tutusin, mas malaking mahal sa Osaka. Kalahati. Dito, 16 lang. Doon, umaabot ng 32,000. So, dito, 16,000 plus. Hindi ka mag-express lane. Yan ang itsura ng pila.
As we pull forward, folks, take a look around you. You're going to see many of the props in the next movie. And guys, we have dinosaurs right here on the right-hand side. Look in the cages. They're in the cage. Oh, no. It's okay. It's all over, guys. Everything's fine. It's all over. Oh, no. It's not over. Look at that.
Oh, God, it's bad.
And that's a wrap, everybody. Give yourselves a round of applause. Gosh, Jim Carrey as the Grinch did such a phenomenal job. 6 hours to get into hair and makeup every day. That's commitment. He almost quit. They don't let anyone know. Here we go.
Ito na yung Fast and Furious.
Guarantee my safety, I'm the one holding the gun.
Never mind. Let's go,
cookie puss?
That ugly snowman's cheap.
Somebody out there really. The Ford Edsel. If you're looking for the DeLorean, it's actually in a different location. It's at the Peterson Auto Museum, which is here in town. If you want to go check it out, beautifully restored. We've also got the Flintstones cars right there, right next to our Fast and Furious vehicles. The gyrosphere from Jurassic World. Anyone notice something missing from the gyrosphere? What's missing?
The glass.
The glass on the outside, right? It was actually never there. That was digital glass. It's difficult to film rounded reflective surfaces because you're going to get a lot of stuff in the background that appears on screen. Okay, please remember to stay seated, guys. Oh boy, there's a foot out there. And he's headed right for George. George, are you okay, Papa? Are you having fun, buddy? Yeah? Yeah? Oh, he's having a great time. Look at him. George? Oh. Now everybody watch the bait at the end of the pier. Look, he's taking the bait. This is escalating. All right, folks, it's time to go. Sit down. Hang on tight. Here we go.
Yeah. Ang init eh. Wow!
Welcome to Cletus Chicken. Dito kami sa papuntang dito sa lower lot Universal. Papunta to sa Transformer at saka sa The Mummy. Sa may The Mummy and Transformer, and shout out kay Sauko Palustre, BH Family Vlogs, Mike and Judith's Vlog, and sino pa ba nag-attend sa live? Si JB Like, Leia B, Heidi Lisa, and thank you Lamar 7-Up Town Cell. Lamar 7-Up Town Cell. Shout out! Hello bro! Sila yung umattend sa live ko sa Las Vegas. Thank you sa inyo. Sobrang ganda dyan sa Revenge of the Mummy, the ride.
Well, looks as if you got here right after your workout. How nice. Good. You'll need to be able to run once I am chasing you.
Yeah. Tingin si Tan. Yay!
Adios.
Adios.
Come forward!
Minion Mayhem. Mayhem? Despicable Me. Oh yes. He's dancing. Come on.
So yeah, go. Let us sneak up on you, you know?
Oh.
Wow! Galing ng character. Sinundan.
Yeah, all right. Thank you. Yes.
Yes. Oh, yes. Project man. Wow. There you go.
Welcome to the Universal Studios Animal Actor Show. My name's Jasmine, and this is my buddy Muggsy. Muggsy and I both work for a company that's been
Ang kulit. Wow!
I invite you to come on down and say hello on your way out. Thank you and enjoy the rest of your night here at Universal Studios Hollywood, the entertainment capital of LA.
I feel cozy, yeah.
Hello, King Kong.
What's up with Citywalk?
King Kong. King Kong.
Everybody shake it, baby.
Asan ang pink hotdog yan?
Yan. Pangalan na.
Dito kami sa pizza. Ganyan siya kaliit, no? Pizza Hut and pink hotdog. There.